Hello, everyone. Welcome back, friends. Today, we are going to talk about our favorite seasons. Do you like summer, winter, rainy season, or spring? Let's learn English and talk about seasons together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello, Emma. How are you? Hello, Laira. I am fine. How are you? I am good. What is your favorite season? My favorite season is summer. And you? I like winter. Why do you like summer? I like summer because I can play outside. I go to the park and ride my bicycle. That sounds fun. I like winter because it is cool. I wear warm clothes and drink hot chocolate. Oh, hot chocolate is yummy. In summer I eat ice cream. It is cold and sweet. In winter, I see many beautiful things. The mornings are foggy and the sky is clear. In summer, the sun is bright and the days are long. I wake up early and play with friends. Do you go swimming in summer? Yes, sometimes I go swimming with my family. We wear swimsuits and bring towels. Nice. In winter, I wear a jacket, a scarf, and gloves. I like to read books under a warm blanket. I like to eat fruits in summer. Mangoes are my favorite. Mangoes are tasty. In winter, I eat oranges. They are juicy and sweet. Do you like rainy season? I like some rain, but not too much. Rain can make roads wet and muddy. I like light rain. It is good to sit near a window and listen to rain sounds. Which season do you think is the best for school trips? I think summer is good for trips because the weather is sunny. But we must stay safe in the sun. I think spring is also good. The flowers bloom and the weather is pleasant. Yes, spring is beautiful. But for me, summer stays my favorite. And winter is my favorite. Both seasons have good things. That is true. We like different seasons, and that is okay. Yes. Seasons make the year interesting. Thank you for the talk, Laira. Thank you, Emma. See you tomorrow. See you. Bye. Bye. We learned about different seasons today. Every season is special and beautiful in its own way. Which season is your favorite? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next video. Bye bye.